Hurricanes and other destructive storms are becoming more commonplace every year, with an average of 26.4 million people per year losing their homes due to these disasters. Now, usually, when people hear statistics like that, they start thinking about places like Haiti or other exotic or maybe impoverished areas, but those are actually statistics for the United States. According to the recent research, and particularly research done by Science magazine, the amount of Category 4 and 5 hurricanes have increased by over 80% in the last 30 years alone. Now, how does the most powerful country in the world handle these displaced people? They cram them into cots, put all their personal belongings in a garbage bag, and place them on floors of sports arenas. So obviously, there's a huge housing gap. And returning people to their homes after these disasters is essential to the rebuilding of communities because it provides them with privacy, safety, and ultimately hope. Another solution to this dilemma is to help support individuals who have lost their homes by quickly providing them temporary relief housing so they can regain a sense of normalcy in their lives. Unfortunately, current relief housing options are typically very expensive and have extensive and complicated installation processes. In addition, relief housing tends to be placed in rural locations far from affected areas because they require a large amount of flat space to fit temporary homes, which unfortunately leads to other issues such as sewage disposal, water and electricity supply, and much more. There needs to be a better solution to this problem. Hi, my name is Lorenzo Burke, and along with my partners Tyler O'Malley and Michael Amatrula, we formed the LiMiT team, and we believe we have the solution to relief housing.
Our solution, the LiMiT system, is an innovative combination of a foundation and a building which will serve as an alternative relief housing system. The major innovation of our system is the adjustable foundation component, which includes our adjustable mechanism and our foundation. This component can adjust up to 4 feet vertically, and our foundation could be adjusted to sloped terrains of up to 18 degrees, so that difficult sites, which would be rendered unusable without long and expensive excavation by current temporary housing, is no longer an issue. With this innovation, the possible land uses could be increased exponentially, which means people could live closer to their permanent residences. The building portion of our system is modular and comes in 3 sizes that can house from 1 to 10 people. With the use of extremely thermally efficient structurally insulated panels, also known as SIPs, as the material for the walls, floors, and roofs, we will also have the potential to save energy, which leads to less expensive housing in the long run. This system can be used as relief housing for any type of disaster. Finally, our system can be transported easily because it is placed on a chassis with wheels.
The LiMiT system will be manufactured by using both purchased and machined components. The construction of the system will take place in off-site manufacturing locations. In order to market our product, we will advertise online and produce offer packages to FEMA and other organizations. FEMA, one of the main suppliers of relief housing, has an annual budget of nearly $14 million. In order to bring our design into reality, we are only asking for $200,000. This initial investment will allow us to begin the patenting process, the inspection process, and the mass production of our units, which will cost approximately $15,000 each. With this investment, our product could potentially be ready for use by the summer of 2019. The name LiMiT can be used to represent limited, since our product is for temporary housing, but it can also be used to represent limitless, since our product has so much potential. So, let's start making victims of disasters feel at home again, while also saving time and money.